Yasamo akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumade no so yadani ase ne nkranhyan sema ebranda no penso odi abreye de adu so no Adom TV Badwam kase no ena mede bro de todwa mu bi ya wo betie ne 200 champagne machines de yasa no yahye ne nyina yede sansam no mu nkyeremu no ebebramo ne yakwa akwhwa adankransia eja to machine dwerebe wo kwintampo eno ene sembi anopa mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam wo Facebook/Adom TV Kasiano wo so go TV channel 176 and a DSTV channel now benya Adom TV 280 midin ediafia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de kwan so tie nsam no se de munchemu no ankasa etie make say champagne machines bes 200 de one more say no eye Dennis Mining Company we anyemu e watiwa east Epoyamantemu ena won mwase no de nam so de Adom TV kase de nchemu no eba
eno pre obeka ebe last 2 months ya ba ha be such am fine mu na edi kosi office empenifo okrum ha empenifo me kase empenifo a ebe chase mitime mo obidi na mo de echi aba ne abepa chow ne abepa chow panyin so de oba woni mu a mutimi enka bibi na yama woni na mo de ko several ekososa eso asasi so a ye di credit say ejuma na ye ne pesa ban hu say ye ejuma pa hwa ha no nyina na kube wa ha no nyina kube wa isiru di ana say ye fa say Ghana ha no say ye say ye di ahoho bi ko mining site a manifest ye bo miracle commission uko miracle commission bidin ho ye so fam ko rasta ho ye wo kube ye wo mango ye wo nneema bebre banche body a ye duadua e wa site so na nkrofo ye beba no mugu so de bia ya so main road e wo ho a obi atwam hu enye se eye ye nwanwa eso jimi for yetumi de bia sa yo bi be bia du die se ya betwa brem no o mako dabeti brem no de agu ya sase no so edi esa se ya di co officer ye be patcho no de ye so ye ntena ho na enu man fa ye kon sa because ye uye adwuma pa na ban bo wa pa so na ni omu ye abasubo na amenya de bia no ompese omosae no ntimi makwan ntimi me de fidie ba se ye di be kokosu e ma be pacho no de ye sai na etopa bia ni ho
adan be ensia de eja tomu ahye dwebe wo kintampo ntimi ka say tenant ana say one na net dan mu be say 15 de bebi on bedan mu ayedene na dum jampani fo du ho no say won ya hwie nye yi na say ade ne hia na ehye ko de nam so di jane ba ye na dum kase edeba
Fari wa hasi ene die mrika kiki e ba be duru ye na chese janu de ugina ba bia enye yi ya ja na manfo adomfo adaworo ma atwi suo ma ye ne ya frefa ya service ya o mo ka ne de ya se asai ye ne ya bo modin se e betimi aye de adum na nya kofo so adaworo ma fire for so be ka ya ya tumi adum ya dum ga de
esi e de anopa ye o ha na aja ya adwuma kakra ne unu se ja sori be ya fie na ehyinya agoro ani brem aja ye be bisa fire said ye frɛ o mo se o mo ka sai na de aye sere mpanyimfo no ye kintampo mpanyimfo na akra mpanyimfo no se nyamia nim sese ba bia aduru no de fire service kan o mo hwɛ ne ye no mo nkora man se bia nka fire service kan wo ho a nka fie no anye kwan anhye sa
Bako Boaten eye odumje adwuma yeni e wo kintampo sub office wo kire amane boni de nti a wantumi amoa amwonum enum jano
se kintampo de yenyina yenya ntie se ye ka no age ne ho kakra a eye kintampo man ne bunu east hadie obia ni ye situation no se de esitie nti ka ne de ewo ho na mom age ne ho a entumi emeye adwuma nanso yenhwe entena ho saa enka se ejana to fi bi mu a ye ma ne hye
Enipansia wompra no emuodin wana akanso so nyame adom panifo ahwe doctor fo ama won debia no emuye enra ne ebo mamane segomu abutuaja butuata junction e kaso Cape Coast Contemporary so no STC ahyen akonya nkwanhia wo ho menam so ebimopra emunsam Adom TV kasia no pay etwaso
in fact we do one oyampa accident AC. At the moment, Nipa 6 then our critical condition, and you want to call trauma and specialist hospital to seek medical care. In fact, casualties were 60. One so near minor injuries, so yes, been no call to be near municipal hospital. The one doctor now we treat someone and one at all.
Asem nwa abaako a ekoso ene se ebra na enipadom atwahia wo no a wobeboa ama wo mo a onwa ka adwamu won kwanhia watimi ayi wo mo no tipa driver a ne din ede kwabnata wia ne Ghana city apem 1000 cities e daneshin mu no obi awia ototo sere Ghana fo se wontwe won ho emfiri saa no ye bone na asem sia na ho ene wo ba befa ede aye won wo yie no ehu
na leta no ye ko mo 10 minutes da kan ni o ma fa ye se you put the linear back on the corner, or put an engineer or done in the put the tell can
Ghana Education Service and Penny Force, one more year, Shomode, Afa, Ghana School, Ghana School, headmaster, and a fair housemaster, no, say one more and snatching. Now, 1 year, Shomon for video, done, I watch you in Temna and then a bonten so chimo say a year toilet cubicles a ho and a school for no be a crown near Masada Hono and Cabeboa Padia headmaster or nay housemaster no 1 more year the inting quantum chain and Shumuncoso. I was answering the madam Cassie it was so.
A cast step aside is not necessarily a punishment. Nobody have concluded anything. We are only saying say sometimes even in your own best interest. Say nipa bebre kan Ghana for bebre kan na bia school spaces da one headmaster utimi hwema mo fraise o fo bi o kan be fu ama wa hwe bi o headmaster kra na obi a wonchi awa na bibisa die wie na baby da na say de ato na asumdwa ya de aba. And so yes, we are really at the base we all relevant information and details be the APK.
Nanso woni nyina mu no atifedo mantemu so Alhaji Shani Shaibu ene mpanifo bi ada Ghana Education Service ano eko sukuu ni mu a wo kire se saa kasafo nyina beto abontere enya de anokure bia ewo mu senti omanfo nyi wadwene emfiri so.
Do a thorough investigation about this. I may seem to be partial, but I don't think so. I don't think I'm partial because this is my school also, and I would want the best for my school. If I had seen anything wrong with this behavior, I would have equally commented on it. Unfortunately, that hasn't been the case. The case is that this is of malice, that somebody has hatched, and I don't know for what reason that person would. But what gladdens my heart is that the Deputy Director General is here. I've gone around with him. We have seen all that has transpired.
Tigo, a car, one more dear 1 million Ghana Cedi, one more day Electricity Company of Ghana, and ne, one more to your Sicano, Nanino, ECG, Accra West Region Operation. Ya, one more, one more Bora, Tigo, at your hot show on so on the Kahwa. Can't can boom and they what your sakana, don't cassia DH, it was so.
The purpose of going there was to commend the management because we realized that over the period of 1 month, some companies have been recalcitrant in not paying their bills. Others have also been very prompt. So we just didn't want to deal with those who owe us a loan. So as an example and to be one that would motivate others to be good customers, we went there, had an interaction with the management of the place and we commended them for how far the relationship between us and them has been. Now we are here at the Accra Digital Center and unfortunately this is a place that owes us. We've been having conversations for the past few weeks but they haven't yielded the results we wanted. So we are going to go ahead to resort to what usually is our last resort when it comes to our revenue mobilization activities. That means we are going to disconnect them and probably they'll be uncomfortable till they're able to make payments and then redeem the debts they owe us.
Commissioner, yeah, one more share about one some so Mugusu Gina, the Omugina, Yamma Yamfa, Yam passport, and year registration, yeah, Ese Babe Kosono. Now, one Comodie, yeah, Yane Director of Electoral Services, Dr. Srebo Kweku, Eddie, which you say a bribia will be renewal passport and a number no sister. Ain't you know, woman to me fair no and to fair no and your documents, so they register our battle woman. On your Adom Cassie, Edin Comway.
Butaende a yedi passport nfiri mu no menim me yesho se wotutu kakre de uni kwabo be passport be mienu na miensa ma wo passport mu na wo passport bia wo different passport number, right? Yeah. In which means that when you change your passport pe wo na masesa so you can easily change your identity. Me say me no my passport. My passport 4 times. A BI a different number. Therefore, won't me use my passport ID number for interest in me because assessor. That's me to the medium can be there's nothing to show say a link.
All right.
And about far Ghana card na the entire say when you sana money there e be do a chia ko bu say be obekwa samado.
Abra wakasa fa kumawu by elections a eba so ne ho no na Dr. Srebo kwaku akire mu say wonom eboa won ho so obekwa koto saaba no ya waka to aso say MPP4 atro wonom nkrata say womeboa wonom say de be ya wonom primary sa eba so ofoyiso obosome da eto so aduonu miensa no obetumi aye.
To me friends them people come first started with nyamboa kwesere be ya 23rd. Omo ye primaries for Kumawu by election.
Yeah, nanka Kumawu di. What was
the Jomo letter brain and so you know more 2-1 more nyamboa kwesere. Ena ekoya mo.
Okay.
Area na wo kan say omo be omo so parliamentary primaries in presidential. And of my country officially omo fa letter be ambre but and so ye na be kwaya mo.
Oba pa ba kwa we unity ese Kumawu by election obegina mu ebie wo MPPD mu yo oba pa masewa na wono enso ye Secretary General the Ghana National Commission for UNESCO nani abrepa wo se won de nkabo mu no ohia e wo MPP mu enti so omo de tumi no emma no wo prea kunimdie ne ye wo mo de ase de tie bia na nkabo mba ye adwuma ma bribia kunimdie e wo Kumawu abaton pesia so no akode ama no Adom kase etwaso
I say, you know, small people. If you bring your piano, change and come in tiny. I mean, mini animal soon, come here, man, come here, young watch. Until you see for me in my eye, so no, here, you are saying, I can. So I will form now, I can't. Among 4 pounds, I'm paying Kabomu, what you are coming at those. So only so many of you and you say mass of the Wabadaya and Kambomu to a papa say what you
Bernard Entribu Asiako Aya Santimantemu James Tinani. Now what they are to just say Mouthful wonom ewo Secretary Kumawu abaton pesua ne so nyina no wonka wo hummu se ne be ya sa by election awo ba be ye no MPP amanyoko no ebetumi edi mu nkunim.
We are pleading to everybody. It's a plea for everybody to
convener waka Individual Bond Holders Association of Ghana Martin Pebu said nay association and yadi joint committee now Ministry of Finance one matia one beka ho ne anase china no matua won sika wode nsem wetu dwa enra wo mo ekwaye akokwa mu hie mu owie no ne central ekasai
and then Kumawu
aban se opportunity free e ho say ye be say na bonds na ye ntua aka no there are 5 we are coming to that ye be say na etua aka nti ye bobo hu kakra na ye pon ye amso mo set up committee nti honorable Amin Anta ono tenemu ma honorable Ofuriata okay the finance minister to set up technical committee. Yeah, Individual Bondholders Association of Ghana. Yeah, no, yanka committee no who yet. I think you are who say you be genuine, say enjoy. I'm so umbe say aban be say na aban etua yanka. Oh, and intina yen enjoy ni yen.
And what you what one is some so kadika who say aban no bon sinse bia ni nyina no enyini na so besi na enya de se wo mu atua. Ne sent no saban na hwe na se wo mu antua ye bon si yamfa ma wo mu dia. Wo mehwese de ne masi feko. Na mo de futu ama wo mu eho.
Number 1, enya ade a yehu se ampa aban enni sika yo eno no let's stand there o se egina ho pintin aban enyi nhuma bi nkyerɛ se eme yehu eme yenkenkan ehu se ampa aban enni sika debi eno ase aban aka ne tra yehu ahyenso de yehu hwe a ekyerɛ se aban enni sika nti as aban timi eyi saa ne ma ne kyerɛ ho na we will see what next to do.
Tagampani for say to abaya to one safra wo mo say aban hye debt exchange program no won fa won ka ho no da bi sa invitation de wo mo makra na eyense megu nkrata so UTAC won national president Professor Solomon Nunu ne sa ehya se wo mo senator so wo mo di pension fund bibia ni wo aban na kan wo mo do wo ho be hyemu ntia ne aban no anwene ho biem no mpo bi foforo mfa ne Adom kase etwaso
University Teachers Association, one national secretariat, and Krata Beto Montenegro, watching mu say, Oforisu Obosomeda Neto Sonson, as we are sure Mensi Kasem so, a tron Krata Bre one board of trustees of pension funds. Young Krata and the Botai NSA GOG proposed alternative offer for pension funds for Frono. One per se, one do one who is shemubi. One am San Krata is so Hremu say, Oforisu Obosomeda Neto Sudunum, Afimpinu, and Yedunumi and Semono, UTAC neck no. Eye putupru enhyiamu na bra wonom edwendwene saa ensemi ho no wonom esigina yese anya de a wobema suye hwe omansi kasem so ho kwan na GOG proposed alternative offer for pension funds for frono wode won ho ehyemu bie UTAC esisudua se ginaye a wonom di nkan esiye ewo ebra domestic debt exchange program no ebaye no womoda ho a egina saa asem no so nsanse wonom de anamon bia wobetu a ebema wonom ekuoma eho akere wonom no enya de se wo de won ho ebehyemu bie wonom na sankrata iso edi tuja se enya de obema ho kwan ama aban ede ne nsaka wonom pension funds bia wonom abokoko won krata ne mu se waye krade se aban eye na dwene se wodo no ho ebe fore wonom pension funds mu a woni wonom ebeku esiase nkrata yi Professor Solomon Nunu ya national president ene Dr. Asare Asante Ano ya ono so national secretary ena wonom nsa ehyiase.
A school for womo ewo Okanta community no wo kajebi wo akan mensimu ewo timantam ne mu no se de edua bia se no wo mutena ehua de ni nyina ne so wo mu ni school dan nanso yasi adankra miensan school dan adankra miensan so yato de enti yasi school dan si ho ne yato mu na nkra ti nuase no Adom TV de akire etwaso.
Our school, our challenges become to the classrooms, and then they come to help us, and they build a new place for us. Contractor come and started last year, beginning of the year, and then completed in the ending of the year. And we, the community, we have been trying to help the school, but up to some time, one class, we combine them into 3. One class, we got class 4, 5, and 6 together. So even the office that our headmaster is using become a class to our Form 3 people.
Nwache na adisuafo a wonom ewo Kanta DA Basic School nso ade adesede to empanyinfo anim se saa 3 unit classroom block yi womebie ema wonom se ne ebeboa ma adesua ne adekire akonkan.
Government to come and open our classroom for us. We don't have classroom. We are sitting on some structures. When sun is up, we will close or we go. We will close and we go. So we are begging government to come and open our classroom for us. Thank you.
So many challenges in the school. Even our school churches, the school churches it collapsed, but we are praying and they get new structure for us. But up to now, they do not open it. So if rain comes, we close. If the sun got up, we either go to break or we close.
Also for abedi achire ya wo shaguma so John intim fojo de ato awofo ne ahwefo nyina nim se enya niema ebema nkora na ni aka wani agye ye wanhoahoa so osori bi obetumi akase wo ko school ko ba ne sa na betumi aboa ye pa ma nkwada no wo nwumasua mu akwanim.